Why the fuck still look like you've got a balloon under your shirt? Calories counted, steps hit, gym done, and the fat is still glued to you like it pays rent. That's not bad genetics. That's thermogenic resistance. It's when your metabolism just stops listening. You wake up bloated, hands cold, feet cold, and coffee only makes you anxious instead of lean. And that lower belly fat, it's not stubborn, it's locked. Stress, ultra-processed food, too much caffeine, no morning sunlight, all of that flips your body into survival mode, so it refuses to burn fat. Here's what nobody tells you. There's a 30-second morning habit that helps turn fat burning back on. Not cardio, not fasting, not starving. It's an orange peel trick. Spanish orange peel in hot water, 30 seconds in the morning. Women notice energy first, then digestion, then their waist finally starts moving again. You're not broken. Your metabolism is just resistant. Tap the link and see how this morning trick works.